Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. In today's session of Teaching with Teams, we will be looking at how can our students collaborate or work on a file synchronously in Teams. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am in my samples Teams class, and I have logged into this class as an instructor and also as a student so we can see both versions. So right now I'm in my Teams. I'm going to go ahead and this is my file that I have uploaded through OneDrive. So I can either access this file from the file section and I simply click on this one and I say open and edit in Teams. That's one way of doing it. Or else I go back to my posts. The easiest and the best practice is to have a post for every file that you want your students to work on. So I'm going to click on it, and the first thing that I see is Edit in Teams. So here is the instructor version, and as you can see, I have the entire file, and I can see who is changing the file, and I also have a conversation section here. So when I click on conversation, I can actually go ahead and type in for my students. So I'm just going to say the only student that I'm logged in right now is myself. Just gonna say good job or something like that. And students can actually have a conversation going on. Now I'm gonna go back to my student view here and I'm going to open. As you can see, as soon as I typed in good job as an instructor, it populates right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this in Teams so I can edit it. So this is a student version. As you can see, I'm logged in as a student. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply draw something here. I'm going to pick, let's say, a red color, and I'm going to section, okay, let's say correlation. I'm going to slide number 6. And as an instructor, I'm asking them to circle the negative correlation. So I'm going to go ahead and circle the negative correlation. This is my student version. Now let's go jump into the instructor version and see what's happening. And as you can see, I have a green button right here saying that Bhavani Kola has been working on this one. So when I click on this, there you go. And I'm going to say good job. Where is a good job? Good job. I have to mention at. There you go. And students can not only have a conversation going on right here, but all of this will be saved for them to go back and review it. And students can open up a PowerPoint presentation, students can open an Excel file, or students can also open a Word document. And if you have any comments as an instructor, you can always go ahead and comment on every slide if you want to. So not only you have a conversation part, you also have a comment section too, which is really cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go back to my Teams and I will go ahead and open the Word document. And as you can see, every conversation that I did is automatically updated into the post. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the Word document. And as a student, I will go back to my Teams and I will also open the Word document. And I'm going to say name, nice name. I'm just typing something here. Nice name, right? As you can see, it says Kalabhavani is typing. I'm going to go back and this is my instructor version. And as you can see here, it says when I click and hover over it, it says Bhavani Kola has been typing here constantly. So you will see the changes synchronously and you can also have a conversation here with your students. So this is a quick way of collaborating with your students, but please keep in mind, students have to, let me go back to my Teams as an instructor here. But students have to open the documents in Teams. They have to click on Edit Teams. They can get to the document right from your post or also from your files. But they have to go ahead and open definitely in teams. That's the only way they can collaborate together and collaborate synchronously while you are watching over your students. I hope this feature helps. If it does, please make sure you like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There could be an instructor or educator that might need this. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment below. And don't forget, happy teaching!